feeling stressed? Today we're going over why and how to relax properly. Relaxation is the state of being calm and free from tension and anxiety. Stress is an inevitable part of everyday life, and stress does have a purpose. Acutely, it really prepares your body for dealing with a threat that's around you. But prolonged stress, we all know, is not good for our physical, mental and emotional health. Prolonged stress is bad for our health. It's bad for our cardiovascular health. This can affect our mood, our tolerance to pain, our muscle tightness levels, can affect our energy levels, so leave us really fatigued, can affect our focus or concentration, can really decrease your ability to fight infections, so decreases your immune system, and it can also lead to sleep problems, digestive problems and fertility problems as well. Relaxation, and specifically the relaxation techniques we're going to talk about today, can really help combat all the negative effects of stress. The key is to make it a regular part of your routine, so not just an every now and then activity. If you can get up to 10 minutes a day in, that is amazing, but if not, doing some longer sessions of relaxation more infrequently. So how to relax properly. Now we're going to go over a few techniques which may be really useful in you finding some time to relax properly throughout the day. We're going to be talking about breathing techniques, a tension relaxation technique, and we're going to briefly touch on meditation and exercise as well. When we're stressed, one of the first things to happen is that our breathing gets shallower. And we want to try and combat this by performing some deep breathing each day. To perform deep breathing exercises, find a comfortable sitting or laying position. I like to place my hands on the top of my abdomen because we really want to focus on the air coming in and making our abdomen bigger and smaller. So we're breathing in through our nose nice and slowly, and then out through our mouth. You want to feel, as you inhale, your hands coming out, and as you exhale, your hands falling in. You should also want to try and make the bottom of your ribcage really wide. So we really want to focus on expanding our diaphragm in through the bottom half of our ribcage here. So really deep and breathe into the bottom of our lungs, deep into the bottom of our lungs. You may find it helpful to place your hand on the top of your chest here because you shouldn't be getting movement here. You really want to focus on the rise and fall of your abdomen. And the best thing about this technique, it can be performed anywhere, at the office, at home, at the end of the day. Try and get 5 to 10 minutes in each day. For the next technique, it's called a tension relaxation technique. And what that involves is you either being in a comfortable sitting or laying position again, and we're going to contract different muscle groups and then relax them. So what's involved, you're going to start with your feet. You're going to contract your feet really firmly, holding that for 5 to 7 seconds, as strong as you can, and then relaxing in through the feet there. And then we're going to move up a region, so contracting your calves nice and strong, holding that for 5 to 7 seconds, and then relaxing, really focusing on each part of the body as you're performing it. You then can go up to perform that in your thighs, in your bottom, in your back, in your abdomen, in your chest, in through your shoulders, your hands, your arms, and your face and tongue as well. Meditation is a really simple way to slow down your day and spend some time relaxing. I feel like people can often be intimidated by meditation, and that's really not the case. You can easily find some resources like the Smiling Mind app, or there's lots of guided meditations to follow on YouTube and lots of other audio files, which can really help guide you through a meditation. Up to 10 minutes a day is perfect. Spending time refocusing your mind, focusing on your breathing. Studies done on meditation have shown just after 8 weeks of practicing meditation regularly, people have been able to reduce their stress levels and make structural and chemical changes within their brain, which help them better cope with stress. Participation in regular exercise is obviously really good for our physical health, but it can also be really good for helping us manage our stress levels. Regular exercise encourages the release of endorphins, or our body's happy hormones. It also helps with our fatigue and improves our overall cognitive or brain function. You want to aim to get about 30 minutes of exercise a day throughout your week, but as little as 5 minutes a day can have positive impacts on your stress levels. There was a few tips about stress management and a few specific relaxation techniques. I hope that helped, guys, and we'll see you soon.